The race for AI dominance is on. It's a global competition with high stakes. Artificial intelligence is poised to revolutionize industries. From healthcare to finance, the potential is vast. Whoever controls AI will have a significant edge in the 21st century. At the forefront of this battle are two tech giants, Nvidia from the United States and Huawei from China. These companies are locked in a fierce struggle for AI chip supremacy. Their competition has implications far beyond the tech world. It's a microcosm of the larger geopolitical rivalry between the US and China. Nvidia, long considered the leader in AI chips, has dominated the market with its powerful GPUs. Huawei, however, is rapidly catching up. The Chinese tech giant is investing heavily in its own AI chip design capabilities. This rivalry is intensifying, fueled by geopolitical tensions and a decoupling of global tech ecosystems. In a significant move, Nvidia recently announced a $500 billion investment in U.S. manufacturing. This decision signals a major shift for the company. Nvidia will partner with Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, or TSMC, and Foxconn. Together, they will build new fabrication plants in Arizona and Texas. These facilities will focus on producing Nvidia's next-generation Blackwell chips. These chips are crucial for AI applications. The move to onshore production is a direct response to U.S. export restrictions. These restrictions have hampered Nvidia's ability to sell its most advanced chips to Chinese companies, including Huawei. The U.S. government has cited national security concerns for these export controls. They aim to curb China's access to cutting-edge technology. Nvidia's decision to invest heavily in U.S. manufacturing reflects these geopolitical realities. Huawei is not backing down. The Chinese tech giant has responded to U.S. restrictions with a bold counteroffensive. Huawei is ramping up production of its own AI chips. These chips are designed to compete directly with Nvidia's offerings. Huawei's Ascend series of AI processors has made significant strides in recent years. The company is leveraging its expertise in chip design and manufacturing. Huawei is also partnering with domestic Chinese chipmakers like Semiconductor Manufacturing International Corporation, or SMIC, to secure its supply chain. Huawei's strategy is two-pronged. First, it aims to reduce reliance on U.S. chipmakers like Nvidia. Second, Huawei wants to become a leading provider of AI chips to the Chinese market. This market is vast and growing rapidly. Huawei is well positioned to capitalize on this demand. The Ascend 910C. Closing the gap, Huawei's Ascend 910C chip is a testament to the company's progress. This chip is a direct competitor to Nvidia's H100, one of the most powerful AI chips on the market. The Ascend 910C boasts impressive computing power and memory capacity. It is designed for high-performance AI tasks, including deep learning and natural language processing. Huawei is already mass-producing the Ascend 910C. The chip is being deployed in Huawei's own products and services. These include Huawei Cloud's AI platform and autonomous driving systems. The 910C's release comes at a critical time. It fills the gap left by Nvidia's H20 chip, which is subject to U.S. export restrictions. Huawei's advancements in chip design and manufacturing are significant. They demonstrate China's growing technological prowess. The Ascend 910C is a sign that Huawei is a serious contender in the AI chip market. This competition will have far-reaching consequences for the future of AI. Geopolitical Chessboard. The AI chip war between Nvidia and Huawei is more than just a business rivalry. It is a reflection of the broader geopolitical tensions between the US and China. The US government views China's technological rise with increasing concern. They see it as a threat to US economic and national security. Export controls on advanced chips are a key tool in the US strategy to contain China's technological ambitions. These controls are designed to slow down China's progress in AI and other strategic sectors. However, these restrictions also have unintended consequences. They are forcing Chinese companies like Huawei to become more self-reliant. This decoupling of global tech ecosystems has significant implications. It could lead to a fragmented tech world with different standards and supply chains. This fragmentation could stifle innovation and increase costs for everyone. Risks and rewards for Nvidia. Nvidia's decision to invest heavily in U.S. manufacturing carries both risks and rewards. On the one hand, it reduces the company's exposure to geopolitical uncertainties. By producing chips domestically, Nvidia can bypass export restrictions and maintain access to the U.S. market. This market remains crucial for Nvidia's growth. On the other hand, Nvidia's move away from China poses significant risks. China is the world's largest market for semiconductors, including AI chips. By losing access to this market, Nvidia is missing out on a significant revenue stream. Huawei's advancements in AI chip design further compound this risk. Huawei's Ascend chips are becoming a viable alternative to Nvidia's products in the Chinese market. This competition could erode Nvidia's market share and profitability in the long run. Nvidia's strategic shift is a high-stakes gamble. Only time will tell if the rewards outweigh the risks. The future of AI dominance. The AI chip war between Nvidia and Huawei is far from over. Both companies are investing heavily in research and development. They are constantly pushing the boundaries of chip design and manufacturing. The outcome of this rivalry will have profound implications for the future of AI. Currently, analysts remain cautiously optimistic about Nvidia's prospects. They acknowledge the risks posed by losing the Chinese market. However, they also point to Nvidia's strong brand reputation, technological leadership, and diversified product portfolio. Nvidia is more than just an AI chip company. They are a major player in gaming, data centers, and automotive. The future of AI dominance is not a zero-sum game. The US and China are not the only players in this field. Other countries, including South Korea, Taiwan, and Japan, are also investing heavily in AI chip development. The AI landscape is constantly evolving. The next few years will be crucial in determining who emerges as the leader in this transformative technology.